Hello and welcome to my stream.
Phase 101.
Oh dear. Welcome welcome to the stream. And we are trying to make a basic program for the RPI game jam. I can't believe it's an hour and we ain't got anything done. Right, so update. The timer should have been individual. What's this? What's this? Welcome to my stream.
Phase 101.
Oh dear. Fix it later. No, I mean, Docster has a point, but the problem is it can only do one at a time, yeah? This bot is a drug, yeah. Right then, so update. SP has been giving me some updates. Now he's done the battle zone. It's this O2, isn't it? It's the O2, isn't it, SP? Here we go. Aston, shh. Shh. Oh, hey, shh. Stop it. You've had enough. Is that the one, mate? Is this the new one? Aston, stop moaning. You've had plenty, mate. You have had plenty. Oh, I see. Also, the dual... These are dual sprites, aren't they? Right. I've got to get these tanks on there. I don't know if you've seen the tanks wandering across the LED panel. FaZe is hooked on this fruit machine, isn't he? Look, 500 points already. He's hooked on it. Yeah, when we come to doing the machine code one, we'll have to figure out how we're going to. Unless you make... It's not that one, is it? Because that's a different type, isn't it? Because that's only... Oh no, that's got two. Okay, which one was I thinking then? Oh, it's that one. It's the smoke one, isn't it? That one. That's the one, isn't it? Where we're only using the one sprite, yeah? This. So we're only using the one sprite. That one there. I don't know if you can hear him. Right, so there's the update, but we're not going to be putting it in the basic program because the basic program's got. So what we've got so far, right, that one. F5, here we go. Docster.
Oh my god, more bits? Thank you very much. You guys really spoil me.
This bot is starting to slow down, isn't it? I'm gonna have to split it out, I think. There you go, mate. Say thank you to Uncle Docster. Say thank you to Uncle Doctor.
Mamma mia! Here we go again. OSK! Read my message.
I forgot to use the present. What present? What present? Oh, the cutscene. But I'd already done that. I'd already done it. But then you went and stuck your intro in it. I'm not falling for that one again. Right. Oh, let's put it on warp. So what we got, where we left off was we got the turret moving left and right, I think. Got the turret moving left and right, and we got it to do the recoil, I think it was, on the fire, I think. But we'll wait till it loads up. Right, here we go. So yeah, so let's go back. So we're at normal mode, so I think it was A and D, wasn't it? Yeah. Look how slow that is. That is just so slow. We might have to turn off the we might have to turn off the animation and just have them static tanks. It's so slow. And then spacebar started the there we go. Poof. We may have to we may have to turn off the animation. Will it go fast with warp on? Hang on, let's try it. There you go. So that's with warp on, yeah? And then space. So yeah. I may have to scrap the basic one and go into machine code. Well, this is it. This is it. I mean, how much do we want to put in? So, what I want... So basically the basic version runs on a Mega 65 at 14 megahertz. Yeah. Right. So, we've got to get it to shoot. We've got to get it to shoot. Oh, it's... Don't start moaning again, mate. Come on. Yeah, it should work. I think I'm going to change. I'm going to write a note down for the fruit machine, because I think FaZe is abusing it. I think FaZe is abusing it. There's a comment for me for the fruit machine. I'm going to change the rules. Change the rules.
Mamma mia! Here we go again. OSK! Read my message.
Old school code, note to self, cool down for phase 15 minutes. Yeah, Derek, I think you're right. I think you're right. I think you're right. His face says it's broke. Well, you broke it then. I don't think it's broke because the chat's updating. I don't think the bot's broke because the chat's updating. Nah, the chat's updating. It's fine. You are testing it. Well, your testing has now highlighted a couple of issues that will be rectified. But I think Derek's right. There should be a max number of goes. Per user. Yeah, I think there should be a maximum number of goes per user. Right, so where's the shooting? I bet you want to go out now, don't you? He wants to. I'm going to take him out because he's had all them. I'm going to take him out. Right. I'm going to start Codebreaker. Well, I'll just take him out. It won't be a second. We're firing. I've got a pair of eyes burning in the back of my head. I can feel it. Yeah. Right. So, shooting.
Mamma mia! Here we go again. OSK! Read my message.
After you, I got the timeout. Yes, because the timeout was set to 30 seconds. So as soon as you do fruit, there's a counter. I'm just seeing what Docster's put. I'm not going to ask him because you know what the answer's going to be. What? Come here. Come here. Come here.
Oh my god, more bits? Thank you very much. Oh. You guys really spoil me.
Do you know, when I sit here at night working, he's there thinking it's a stream.
Mamma mia! Here we go again. OSK! Read my message.
Oh my god, more bits? Thank you very much. You guys really spoil me.
I've got it lined up. Thank you for the bits, guys. Thank you, Uncle Docky. Oh, what's read fill message? After you, I was timed out, but if I typed twice, it won't time me out. Yes, it will. Yeah. Yeah, but he's gone into he's gone into his other bed. I told you I am testing it. Yeah, but remember, got 30 seconds is not long. Yeah. Right, look. See, that's 27 seconds. 23 seconds. 18 seconds. 13 seconds. It's timed out. I can't do it. It's a global timer. It should stop people. It should stop the spamming. Yeah. But I will increase it if I have to. I'll increase the timeout if I have to. What? A train? Where? No. You joking? What is stopping me is stream elements. Kylo, no, don't force. I'm not forcing people to make the train work. No. Right, so we've got the turret to retract. I've definitely broken phase. What is going? How fast is my missus is leaving me? Caught me trying to sell my fruit points for cocaine. I am not getting it. Did you hear that? Right. So we've got the turret backfiring. Now we need to shoot the shell, yeah? Now, I'm trying to remember what sprite the shell was, because we have a lot of them. Right, there we go. This is the shell. And that's the explosion. I'm trying to remember what sprite. It was definitely, or was it the basic one? Was it that one? Oh, it could have been that one, couldn't it? Yeah, so we're using this for the basic set. So we've got 2 sprites. Now I'm thinking of not animating them. I'm thinking of taking the animation off the tank as well, because it's just taking too much time. So I'm going to make it that it does this when it shoots, and then these two will be the where it lands back down, yeah? How often do I change frames? I think it's running on every basic cycle. Let's have a look. Yeah, well, this is the frame animation. Yeah, it's running on every basic cycle. Yeah. I mean, I could do this, right? And let's see how fast it is when it's not doing it. Right, let's see. Let's see. Still need to warp it to load all the sprites in. God, he's addicted, isn't he? He's addicted. I'm glad it's not coming out on the chat now. I'm glad all the things are not coming out in the chat now. Well, does that really work in BASIC? Because I've tried doing and I've had I had weird results coming through. Right. So that's off warp. Right. Oh, it's still slow, isn't it? It is incredibly slow. God, that's incredibly slow. Yeah, I think we're asking too much. I think we're asking too much. If I put it in warp, it's not too bad. Yeah, look, it's not too bad when it's in warp. I think it's just asking too much. Right, what's TF? I've got TF. Touch sprite frame, shoot, in flight. So 3. Once it's done the... If TF... Aston, you've had enough, mate. There you go. Go find it. Go find it. I'm not chucking it at you. Add 4 each gram to... Yeah, I saw the one-liner, yeah. I saw the one-liner. Are you so fat you can't even get up now? Yeah, frame to move. It's all those divide by 3s. Yeah. He'll find it. He'll find it. His nose is getting there. The game is broken. I am not winning. Good. He's found it. He's found it. Right. Yeah. Oh, Twitch has just knocked me out of my chat room. Oh, I wonder if that's broken it. I wonder if the other one. No, we're still going. We're still going. Right. Right, I'm gonna leave it not doing the animation, but we're gonna get it to try and fire. Right, so we're looking for the state. So 2 is shoot, and then it goes to in flight. So where's TS?
Ah! What a plank.
Play basic. Oh, we found a bug.
Ah! What a plank.
Okay. Right, okay. I've made a note of that. That's an easy fix. Right. What am I doing? Right, this, so TS is 1, that's firing, yeah? Yeah, recoil. So when recoil's finished, that's here. If TS equals 1, when it equals 4, make T... Right, that's got to be 3. No, 2. Because it's going to be in flight. Yeah, that's going to be in flight. So, oh, this is very off-putting, seeing all those messages flash past because of the fruit machine. I've got to figure out how to do the whispering. Got to figure out how to do the whispering. Right, so set the state to 2. Right, so let's do that. It's your last one. It's your last one, mate. You're becoming a pig. Alright? It's the last one, mate. Right, so we need BX. Have we used BX? No. Hello, welcome. Right, so where are we?
Hello, John here. Thank you for following. Hope you enjoy the stream.
Hello. Hello, welcome. No worries, no worries. We're all friends here. Right, so I need to write BX equals TX and BY equals TY. So that starts the bomb. That starts the bomb. Alright? But we need to activate the sprite. Did we activate the sprite? I am not sure. Yes, we did. There. So that means it must be off the screen. Okay. Where are we? Back here. So. BY equals BY minus 1 if BY. Ooh. Right, we need another one. Need another one. Right. If BY is less than, what was it, 20... He's selling code for fruit. What is going on? What is going on? Will code for fruit points. FaZe is pimping his fruit. Oh dear, what's going on? Ah. I'm gonna have to do a new Discord channel, aren't I? Just for his fruit addiction. How can you know who has the most fruit? Well, I know. I can tell. Right? I can tell. I'll tell you. We've got GaryMeg on 448. We've got FaZe on 641. SP's on 102. StatBats on 125. There you go. Stop distracting me. Yeah. Right. So if the turret status is 3, then BY equals, so we're going to -1. If it gets less than 15, then we're going to make it come back down. So we need another. No. There's no more. There's no more. No. No more. There's no more. Adds a new feature. Fruit goes rotten. Hey, that's an idea. That's an idea. Right. When it's going up, right, we need to let's put another variable in here. Oh, Gary. Thank you for the bits.
Oh my god, more bits? Thank you very much. You guys really spoil me.
There is definite a delay there, isn't there? There is definite a delay. There you go, mate. From Uncle Gary. Right. So, we need a bomb frame. It's there, mate. Look behind you. Use your nose. Look behind you. Look. Don't you dare tear your nose up to that. Oh, he's getting picky.
OSK, what the plank you are doing? Plank, plank, plank.
Oh, he's left it. He's left it. It's there, mate. You're not having any more ducks if you're not going to eat that. No. No, he doesn't want them now because he's been having the ducks.
Oi, John, pay attention to chat.
Gary, what am I listening for? I'd be like playing. Yeah, he's getting a bit of a taste for the duck, I tell you. What am I listening for, Gary? What am I listening for? Right, BF. Am I using BF? Just make sure. No, right. So let's set the frame. Yeah, it is, mate. I tell you. He's left it. He's not going to have another treat until he has that. He's not having anything else until he's had that. Right. So I need to set the frame. So bomb frame equals. And it is. So let's go with that one. So that is 62? 62? Yeah, 62. So we're going to use 62. And in fact, that needs to go there. And so we need to then make it poke it. So that's our frame number there. Five, 1, 1, right. And the shell is 7. So the turret is 8. So we need 98, comma, BF. What have I done wrong there? Have I just overwritten something? If you're not going to eat that treat, don't come moaning to me. Right? Yeah. Right, so poke the frame into it. Then we need a way of displaying it, don't we? So let's do that. Poke. Where's the X and Y? Here we go. Right, X. Need the pokes, and my website is back online, yay! Hardware. Here we go. He's not happy now. He's not happy. Right. What am I after? X. So, 4 position, sprite, 6. 53260. 53260. Comma bomb X and 61 BY. Right, so if it's in flight, yeah, if it's in flight, then we're gonna poke the XY. Gonna poke the XY if it's in flight. Here, right, this is something. We need to know the angle. We need to know the angle. Yeah, mate. Yes, tenner a bag, yeah. That's why, if he's leaving that, he's not having anything else. He's not having anything else at all. I bet he's sulking now. Yeah, he's sulking. Right, how am I going to do this? How am I going to do this? In fact, that can go here. And then that can go there. $64. But it's not because I need to know the angle. I need to know the angle. I'm gonna have to turn that fruit off, I tell you. Why have you ignored it? You're not having anything else, mate, until you've eaten that. Right. He's getting picky. You can tell he wants it. He just wants the duck instead. You can tell he just wants the duck instead. Right, so if we are coming back down now, I think these could go there. Right. We'll just leave it like that. So if it's coming back down, then there. Oh, John. This is gonna get really complicated really fast. Right. I'm not happy with that at all. I'm not happy with that at all. Let's see what happens. Yeah, it will be assembly code soon. It will be assembly code soon. I think we're gonna start the assembly code sooner than, because this is getting too slow. Yeah, it's basic. We was trying to see if we could code a game in basic, but it's just too slow. I mean, this is loading in all the sprite info. This is loading in all the sprite info. Okay. Turn off warp mode. Fire. Oh, after all that. Oh, after all that. Right. Well, that didn't work, did it? Well, I was trying to show that you could do it. It's just, I think with all the animation and everything on that we've got going. But that's not working. Why did that not work? Oh, what's 3? Yeah, 3's in flight. Oh, hang on. That may be the issue. That may be the issue. Plank on standby. I was trying to show you could write a game in BASIC. It's just be ultra simple. Maybe we was trying to make it too complicated. You know, try to make a sophisticated game in BASIC may not be the best mixture. Yeah. Yeah. But we can start. We can start. Would it help to reduce the number of tanks on screen? Yeah, it would probably. But it wouldn't. I don't think it would make too much because. Oh dear. Oh dear. Well, that's meant to be the bomb, but just look how fast it's going. Oh, that is I think it's the wrong sprite, yeah. I think it's the wrong sprite, but I can't remember what sprite it was. I can't remember where we put it. But it's just the speed. Let's see what happens in warp. There's warp. It's just the speed. That's not good. That's not good. Is it going to come back down? Oh, at least it comes back down. Oh, dear. That's brilliant. Absolutely brilliant. Where's he going to stop? Oh dear. Illegal quantity. Yeah, okay. Right. I think we should start converting this into machine code.
Ah! What a plank.
Yeah. I think we should start converting this into machine code. I think even if we took all the animation out, I still think it would take too long. Because we've written the basic program like we would write the machine code, where we've got a game cycle that runs through all the game cycle, yeah? Instead of saying, right, we've pressed the button, do the flight, yeah? Yeah. So if he was writing a basic program, everything would stay still as the bomb would be as the shell would be in flight. Yeah. But we're trying to incorporate machine code, state machine, game loop into basic, and it's not going to do it. It's not going to do it. It's just taking too long. All right then. Let's see if we can get this started in machine code. Let's start doing it proper. Everything does stay still already. Yeah. Let's do this proper. Let's do this proper. Right. No. Right, let's start a new project. Right, open folder. Right, git. Right then, so new folder. VSCode.c64.Stac Traxx. There we go. New folder. Here we go. Right. Let's get the standard stuff in there. Right. Let's get the standard stuff in there. So we'll nick all the standard stuff from Aston each, yeah? Right, so where's the workspace? So we'll grab that. We'll grab that, we'll grab that, we'll grab that. We'll grab that. And we'll put that in there. Whoops. Right, so open workspace. We should have big letters. There we go. Right. So I've got the constants in, doing the standard stuff. So we've brought in the constants. We've brought in the joystick library. So we're going to use the joystick library. In fact, might as well get rid of all that other stuff. Got brought in the keyboard library just in case you want to use the keyboard. And I've brought in some macros, but maybe I don't need them. But we'll take them out if we don't need them. So, first things first, we need to create our... Oops, yep, C64.ism. Right, so standard stuff. Let's see if we can nick some of this stuff. Right, I'm going to see if I'm going to nick the maps. Right. Gonna nick the maps. Can I do that? No. Right, this is the maps. So we're going to try and get the screen on first, yeah. But we're going to need some files. So new file, game storage. Get that one. What was the other one? Game constants. Right, that should have solved these two. I am going to turn that fruit machine off in a minute. Right, so I'm going to turn that fruit machine off in a minute. Faithful, yeah. But I am going to turn it off. I am going to turn it off. Right, so we're going to do the same thing as we did in Astonites. We're going to have a couple of different screens. You want to reach 1K? Oh dear. So we've brought in the map. So we need things like this we're going to need. So let's take some of the Astonite stuff. Let's reuse some of this code. Right. Okay. So map, where's map? Here we go. So use that. Right. Right, as that resolved, storage.maps, that should resolve that. Oh, maybe not, because I need to do that. Right, constants map number of colours. Oh, number of columns. Where's constants? In fact, we will use all that lot. We will use that. We'll use that. What is going on? Phase, come on. I will shut it off. I will shut it off. Right, screen RAM. Game constants. Right, so screen RAM, where's that? Where did I put that? Because the screen RAM's going to be different, isn't it? Here we go. The screen RAM's going to be different, so let's... Where did we set the screen RAM to? Can anyone remember where we set the screen RAM to? I've still got it open here, hang on. Can anyone remember what we set the screen RAM to? page 196. No, I meant in the tanks, because I'm going to try and emulate the same thing that we've done in the tanks, yeah. So it was page 196. Right. So if it was page 196, where's my website? There we go. So we must have been here. We must have been in this realm. We must have been in that realm. Right. Now I'm converting binary back into hex again. Right. So 565 76. That is that. Right. Okay. So let's put this in here. So let's get started. Too many windows open. Too many windows open. Right. We won't bother with the we won't bother with the state machine yet. So let's just get this all up. So we want 0 0. So we don't even want to do that. Is it bank? It's definitely bank 3, isn't it? It's not the reverse. Yeah, bank 3. Right. So next thing, what did we do? We imported the now question. Oh, this is a good one. Do we copy the character set across, or do we do a direct injection? Yes, that's a good point, John. Right. So we're gonna load the maps. We're gonna load the maps in. So let's get our first map, which is if I remember, is that one. That's the first one, yeah? That's the first one. Right, so let's do this. Export everything. But we are not going there. We are going there. So this is map 1. So let's rename these fellas. Right, so we're going to say city, characters, map, tiles. Okay. Now, I'm going to copy the same thing as I did in Astonites and Nico's run. So we're going to do this. Right. So we've got the character set, the attributes. Right, let's do the import. City characters. What's this? Tiles. Character attributes. We need the number of characters, don't we? We need the number of characters. Where was that? I bet that was in the game data. I bet that was in the game data. Hang on. Yes, that was. So let me just grab this. Right. So city, that's the colour. Right, let's just get rid of all this lot. Right, that's the colour. Characters. Let's get rid of all that lot. Right, this is map info, isn't it? So city, maps, city, 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 and again city. Right, we'll get rid of this lot. Right. Woohoo! No errors.
Phase 101.
Oh dear. 1K, yeah, but I didn't see anybody chatting at all because it was disappearing off my screen. Phase 101 now enters rehab. Alright, FaiRLane. See you later. The chat is mine. Oh dear. I'm going to put a switch on that so I can turn it off if I want to. Right. Let's have a look. So, I'm just checking my battery. Yeah, we're doing all right. We're doing all right. Not pulled anything off the grid. Yeah, get in there. Right. So let's start getting this map on the screen. So let's just have a look at game maps. Have I got everything in there that can let me do it? No, because I've only done this. I need to set the screen location. So screen location 272. I wonder if it's 272. Yes, 272, there it is. And I think 18, so 1, 2, 4, 8. So that's going to be a 1 there. So it's going to be here, isn't it? 16 plus 2 is that. So that means the character sets is equivalent at 1000. So that's going to be is that right? Right, DO18. DO18. I know that's in here somewhere. Same with the other one, I think. DD, DD, DD. DD, that's that one. So we are doing 2. That's that. Right. We are going to do this. .288. Right, it's doing that. So load. Clear screen. Clear screen. 19 is home. So clear screen is 93. Clear screen 93. Oh, look at that. What a memory.
Mamma mia! Here we go again. OSK! Read my message.
What do you mean, come on? 93? That's clear screen. .147 decimal. Okay. Right. Let's clear the screen. So if we do that, that should clear the screen. So we're doing the same. We're doing the things that we're doing on here. Right. 50176. .50176 is C400. Well, let's do that then. And we're going to set the screen RAM, where's screen RAM? Here we go, to C400. We didn't change the screen location. We didn't change the screen location, did we? No. So it's still there. Right. C400. So the sprite 0 sorts that out. Character set base memory. Well, we haven't worked that out yet. Right, so what is 51193? So that's sprite 0. Okay. Yeah, I suppose. Okay, we'll do that. And so here we need to let's do that. That should do it.
Oi, John, pay attention to chat.
Doctor, what am I paying attention? Oh. 0288. What does that do? Right, that sets the page. Well, if we wanted to print to the screen using FFD2, because we've moved the screen right up into the memory, you have to tell the kernel where the new page is. Yeah. So 196 is not going to cut it, right? Because that's going to be C4. So this now needs to be C0. Yeah. So that's basically repointing kernel to C1000 for all FFD2 prints. So if we was going to do any printing, yeah? Yeah. Right, so at the moment we're going to leave the kernel in there, yeah, for the moment. But we might take the kernel out, which then it won't matter, because I'm trying to think whether we're going to be doing any printing or not, yeah. So, but I'm trying to replicate what we've got in BASIC, yeah. So we got a print screen, you know, we've got a clear screen that says Johnny's great. So right, so we clear the screen. Now we need to get the map, the first map on the screen. So that's what we're going to try and do. So we're going to start from scratch. So maps. So draw screen. Right, let's find out what happens in the Astonites. Dude, you're not having anything else, mate. You've left that on the floor. If you're hungry, you can have that, alright? I don't care, mate. I just don't care. Or are you wanting to go out now? That would be hilarious, tell you. Right, I'm trying to find Astonites where we do the maps. Just have to choose difficulty, isn't it? Here we go, play. Here we go. Map, initialize map draw. Right, initialize map draw. Where's that? Right, so we send in the map. So we've got all that. Nice. Right, so initialize map draw. So LDY hash.
Mamma mia! Here we go again. OSK! Read my message!
Is that right, what you wrote? You can have kernel on because sprites will always work. Yes, the VIC chip only looks at memory. It doesn't look at the IOs. So, yeah, that's why it's always good to stick the sprites all under there. All right, guys, I'm gonna take him out, yeah, because I think that's what he's after. I'll start Codebreaker for you, and I'll be back in a sec. Right, so initialize the map. Initialize the map. Let's have a look. I want to make sure. Initialize the map. There, that's what I'm looking for. There. Now, I don't think that is in the storage. So let me see if have I got the game storage open? Yes, I have. Storage, game vars, current map. Storage, game vars. Where's that? There, right. Let's put the game vars in. So I'm going to do it here. So game vars and current map. Right, current map. So load 0, LD storage dot game vars dot current map. And we will do this here. Right, so we're going to load that. so we're going to then go with JSR maps map dot. Oh, I need to load it in, don't I? Yeah, map. It was map. Right, let's see if it draws. Are you trying to find out how much you do at my OSK points? That gives you how many fruits. Right, let's see. Ooh, where's maps? Maps. We've still got a bit of Aston Eats in there. Add crumbs to screen. We don't need that. Routine. Anyone wants this fruit? He's gonna have a problem because when he comes back, he's gonna have no fruits. Yeah. I've only got 288, mate. Right, let's see if that runs. Do we get... Ooh. Oh, right, okay. Missing. What am I missing? That's what I'm missing. Right, we need the number of characters. How many characters we got? 64. 64. We need to put the number of characters in, which is not 128, it's 64. So that should copy the character set. Now, where are we going to put the character set? That's the thing. Where did I put it in? Where did I say I was going to put it here? O2. Which is that. No, that's screen. O2 is that at 20. That's at 0800. Yeah, that'll do. Can't do it any closer. Yeah, we'll leave it there. So the character memory is going to be C8000. So that is C8000. Right, let's see if this runs. No. Oh, that's in maps. What's that doing? Clear screen. Right, okay. Let's rem that out for the moment. Right. That seems to be working. Now we just need to draw it. Yeah. Oh, so close. Well, I think we're doing all right. I think I've just got I think we've got the colours wrong. I think we got the colours wrong. Right, what we're looking at. What's that colour? That is 5, 11, 5 and 11. Right, let's go into here. Right, so 5. What's 5? It's green. Right, green. And what's that one? That's 11. Right, that's okay. Right, what's the background colour? What was going to do the background colour? What did we do the background colour? Where is it? Where's the code? Yeah, I'm just looking at it now in the basic one. Come on. Oh, we didn't change the background colour. We changed this colour here, didn't we? To be green. So we'll do that. There we go. That's looking more like it. Now, multicolour. Got to turn multicolour on. Got to turn multicolour on. I'm sure that we could. Did we have multicolour in Astonites? We did. How did we turn it on? How did we turn it on? Right, that's copying the character set.
Oi, John, pay attention to chat.
Yeah, I'm trying to remember how we turned multicolour on in Astonites, because some of it, oh, they were all multicolour, weren't they? Right. Okay, let's sort this out then. So we've just changed that. So multicolour. I think it's this one. 53270 DO16, which is scroll the X. Right, so right, ORA 1 2 4 8 16. So that does that. 53282. Well, that's the background, isn't it? That's 5. And we've set the 2 multicolours, yes. Yeah. Right, so we set up that. So we should get in there. Hola. Oh, hang on. That doesn't look quite right, does it? The light green and missing and yellow. Oh, it's the character multicolours, isn't it? Why is the yellow missing? That's got to be the colour RAM, hasn't it? That's got to be the colour RAM, yeah? Okay, have I made a bit of a boo-boo? That's the character attributes. Are you setting the colours based on the chars or globally? No, setting the colours based on the chars, right? That's why I'm doing the same thing as we did in Aston Eats. So this is setting the colours, right? So that's the background is green, the border is black, yeah, and then multicolour 1 and multicolour 2, which was green and dark grey. But I'm just wondering if it's not doing the colours. Because that would be here.
Mamma mia! Here we go again. OSK! Read my message!
Yeah, multicolour is on. We can see multicolours on. Look, we can see multicolours on. It's just that we're missing, it looks like we're missing the character colours. Looks like we're missing the character colours. Oh. And also, we are one row short. We are one row short as well. There we go, we've got the shadows in. See, we got the yellow there. So why am I not getting that yellow? I should be getting that, shouldn't I? So we're getting the yellow at the bottom, yeah? We're definitely getting the yellow at the bottom. Why are we not getting the light green there? What is going on? That is right because it's a because they're oh, they're not high res, are they? Oh, the foreground colour has to be the upper 8. Oh, right, okay. But I bet you it is the upper 8. Night night, mate. I bet it is the upper 8. Let's have a look at that. Yeah, they are the upper ones. They are the upper ones. Oh, okay. What have I missed? What have I missed? Come on, John, think. What have I missed? This works in Astonites on the multicolored ones as well. We know that for a fact. So what have I missed? What have I missed? Color storage map info. That's right. Well, it works in Aston Eats. That's the right. So we're reading it, and then I do that. So it gets rid of the material information. Let's turn off that. Let's see what happens when I do that. I must be missing something. I must be missing something. Because the colours are going on. Yeah, the colours are going on. No, I don't have multicolour on now. I've just turned it off because I wanted to see what the colours were. Yeah? Does that look right? It does look right, doesn't it? So if I turn multicolour back on, this doesn't. Where's the light green there? See, this should be light green. Why is that not light green? Right, okay. That's multicolour. That's multicolour. That's not. That's not. But it's set to. I think. Oh, hang on. So this is the background colour because there's nothing in it. So the background colour is 5, yeah? No, the background colour's not. Oh, that's the problem. That's the problem. Background colour should be set to 13, light green. That's the problem. Oh no. No, no, no. Go back, John.
Oi, John, pay attention to chat.
Yeah, yeah. Yeah, I got there, mate. Got there in the end. The little voice in the back of my head was going, John, what you doing? What you doing? There we go. There we go. Right, so that's that one. So we've got another one, haven't we? We've got the desert. We've got desert. Right, so we've got this one, which is the desert, yeah? So this one is 66 characters. Right, let's get that exported and see if we can get that in. Export all. AD type, welcome. Right. Oh, did I export that? Ah, yeah, I did. Right. Right, let's rename this. Oh, hang on. This is a different height. This one's a different height. Oh. You mentioned that earlier. Oh, right. Stack Batch did 20. Oh, okay. Right. How can we lose something? Or should we just put an extra row in here? Let's put an extra row in here. And we will use that one. Right, save. Right, get rid of that. Right, let's see if we can get this desert in. Right, so storage. So let's do another one. This time it's called desert. Dessert. Byte 66. What's the colours for this? So the background is 8, which is orange 8. Yeah. Colour 1 is 0, which is black. Colour 2 is brown. Right, so that's sorted that out. Right, let's put the things in here. Desert map. Whoops. Right, desert chars. Desert tiles. Character set. Right. So if I do that, ooh, well, that was it. That was idiotic, John, wasn't it? That was a plank and a half. That was rushing. Hey!
Ah! What a plank.
Hey, we got desert. Right. What was the next one? Is that the one that you've just sent me? The battle zone, that was the one, wasn't it? Where's that one? Look for B, John. Look for B. So we're gonna have to make that 11. Yep, I think that will do nicely. I think that would do nicely. Right. Have I got another 2 from Stac Traxx? Right, okay. Oh, Aston, oh dear. Oh dear. Dude. Right, so that is 21 characters. Aston, dear, mate. Mate, you need to be looked at. That stinks, dude. His revenge for no dope, yeah. It does. It does stink. Oh dear. What do I have to put up with, eh? Right, so this should be nice and simple, yeah? So the background's black. That is light green. And dark grey. Right. Six. Ho 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 ho. Hey. Nice. So where's Stac Bats ones then? It does look alright. But where's the Stac Bat ones? Where's Stacy's? He has a desert one using a lot of yellow. Well, it's not that. Ah, it's this is the one, isn't it? This is the one. This is the one. Right. Let's see. Have we got any wasted cells? Let's do a bit of compression on it. There we go. Right, let's get this exported. Right, what should we call this one? Because we've got desert, so what should we call this one? What should we call that one? Wasteland. Good answer. Good answer. Right then, let's get everything installed. Wasteland characters. Wasteland tiles. Wasteland chars. And we've done that one. Right, storage. Let's do all the wasteland one. So the background is orange. We're not bothered about the body just yet. That is blue. And brown, yep. We have 94 characters. Right. Let's have a look. Let's have a look. Map number 4. Get in there. Hey, get in there. Oh, I love reusing code. Get in there. Right, so we've got the 4 backgrounds. We've got the 4 maps. There's one desert map with a cactus in it. Where? Alright, hang on. So we got battle, we got city. So that's city. We've got desert. It's not that one. Do you remember what it was called? That's the basic one. I've only got desert_1. I've only got desert_1. There it is. There it is. Found it. Found it. Still in the download folder. Right, so what should we call this one then? Desert 2. Wild West. Oh, like it. Like it. In fact, let's rename it to Wild West. There we go. The Wild West. SP's got names for everything. Yes, right. Let's compress it. See if it. Right. So it's reduced it. So we'll do a save as. Right. Let's export everything out. Right, so we'll need to rename because we put compress on it. Right. He is stinking me out. He's just done it again. He's just done it again. Oh, God. Oh, oh dear. Dude. Oh, dear, mate. Tell you, you don't want smelly vision on at the moment. You don't want smelly vision on at the moment. Oh, that is just rank. No, we've got no more sprite. I bet it's that duck. I bet it's that duck. Because you laugh at this. When I took him out for the last time, right? As I was walking down the stairs, he was squeaking. So that should have really told me that something was coming. But yeah, he was squeaking. Oh dear. Right, how many have we got here? 63. Right, so what we got here? Background is yellow. Forget the foreground. And then we've got brown and orange. Right. Map number 5. Oh, hey. Nice. Nice, nice, nice. Right. So we've got five maps. Sleeping? I'm not sleeping. Right, so we've got 5 maps. So we've now got our map. We've got the display thing working. It's so quiet. Yeah, it's so quiet now. Phases hit his 1,000, isn't it? It's no gambling. That's it. Right. Right. I'm going to call it there. So we've got our 5 maps in. So we've got the way of. So what I was thinking was when we choose the difficulty, we allow them to pick a map, a background. If we don't have many, but if we start having lots of maps, then we can rotate through them like we did with Aston Eats. We just rotate through them, yeah. So next stream we'll get the sprites on, and then we'll define the multiplexing, because we're going to do some multiplexing, simple multiplexing. Oh, the bottom aligned. You woke up when you're on the 6502. Yeah, basic is a little bit boring. Oh, right. So does that mean we're going to have to align the other tanks to the bottom, yeah? Does that mean we're going to have to align these to the bottom, yeah? Okay, you can no, you can do it, mate. You can do it, mate. If you've got time, you can do it. You can do it, yeah? And then we'll get the multiplexer in, yeah? We'll get the multiplexer in, because what I'm thinking of, right, is we're going to have. So let's use that as a background. So if I do that, right, and then do this. There we go. So what I was thinking of, right, is if I can I put a box on? Yeah, let's do that. What I was thinking of was having the turret. Whoa! Whoa! No. Let's go there. Have the turret. Yeah, down here. Yeah. So the turret would be down there. Yeah. And then have 1, 2, 4 zones. 4 zones to put the tanks in. Yeah. And get we have get a multiplexing, but simple multiplexing, yeah, not the complicated one. That each one of these regions, right? Each one of these regions could use 6 sprites, so 3 tanks per region. And the reason why I say 6, because we'll need a sprite for the shell to go up, yeah. So we'd have three tanks in that region, yeah, 6 sprites. 3 tanks in that region, 6 sprites. 3 tanks in that region, 6 sprites. Maybe nothing there. Right? But it'd be only the simple multiplexing. So if you've got Derek, is Derek still on? Yeah, is Derek still on? Is Derek not on? Hang on. Are you so slow? Right. So we'd be doing this sort of thing. Hang on, let me find it. Let me find it. Because he talked about it in his second book. Here we go. So Derek talked about it in his second book, yeah? Where you would use regions. Yeah? And that's what we'll do in this tank game. So we'll use the concept that Derek did in his book. So if you didn't get Derek's book, so you need to get Derek Morris's Retro Game Dev Volume 2 if you want to understand. Alright? If you want to understand. Oh, have you done it already? Rightio, mate. Got it. Let's put that in there. Oh, what's going on? So yeah, if you want to understand how Derek explains the multiplexing that I'm going to try and achieve for the tank, go and get his second book, yeah? Go and get his second book. You have both. Yeah, the second one is with his kick, yeah? Alright then, because like I say, we're gonna be doing this from page 40, yeah? He explains how to do the multiplexing in regions, and that's what we're gonna do. But we're gonna try and make the regions a lot smaller, yeah? We're gonna try and make the regions a lot smaller so we can try and get more tanks on the screen, yeah? But if you wanna understand what we're gonna do, read Derek's book, and that's what we're going to try and achieve, yeah? We're going to try and achieve that multiplexing effect. Alright? Yeah, I've got both books. I mean, I've got signed books as well. I've got signed books as well. So, in fact, I have 2 copies of both books. Alright? Alright? So, that's what we'll try and achieve. That's what we'll start on Wednesday. We'll try and start thinking how we're going to write this multiplexer. Yeah. The first book was black and white, but the second one you could buy a colour one. Yeah. The first book was black and white, but I think the second one you had the option of buying a colour version, and I got the colour one. The signed ones, yeah. But you know, anything to publicize Derek the Legend's books, because I still use them, and this I read that chapter to think I can do that. All right, so thank you very much, guys. And I will, yes, Kylodos, we'll see you on Wednesday, yeah? So, guys, I will see you on Wednesday. Take care and have fun. Bye. I'd like to thank all the patrons that are contributing to my channel. Without you guys, I wouldn't be able to do what I'm doing right now. Thank you very much.